Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Security after scrolling down. When you're ready, tap on Screen Lock and select one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Now you can finally create it and tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. Select Confirm and answer this question by choosing one of the available answers. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Wherever you decided, when you're done, just click on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!